Morning everybody, Big Bike Mike here. Today I'm on my little bike doing a shakeout ride for the upcoming LA-to-Barstow-to-Vegas ride, and we're going to see how this goes out here in beautiful Hollister, California. Okay, I'm back at a little problem that Eugene and I were playing on last time, and I want to see how the bike does with the new suspension, although I have a lot more weight on me. Maybe not a lot, but probably a fair bit more weight on me with all the extra gear and everything. So let's see how this goes. Now I'm on top of that hill. Even better. Oh, that was catastrophic. All right, here we are at the end of the day. Fantastic time riding, close to 60 miles. Bike performed just wonderfully. No issues. Took some notes and things like that. Try to figure out what I'm going to change for the LA-to-Barstow-to-Vegas next week. A few minor things, but it's mostly just kind of how I'm going to organize stuff, maybe paring down a few things and whatnot. But been a great day. Thanks everyone for riding with me today. If you liked it, click like, click subscribe. If you didn't, leave a comment, click dislike, whatever. I'm totally down for any feedback and any input, and I'd love to know what y'all think.